Hey beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my eyebrows using thread. So if you want to know how to do your eyebrows or any facial hair for that matter using a threading method, then keep on watching. And hey, it's totally up to you if you want to keep your facial hair on or also if you want to remove. It's totally up to your decision and don't let anyone decide that for you. And if you want to know or if you want to learn how to do the threading, and you could remove your eyebrows and upper lip and even the sides of your face using thread, and if you want to learn how to do that, then keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get to the video. The things that you would need is the thread, and I'm using this thread. I'll try to leave the link below if I'm able to find it, and a mirror of course, and also just any brush to brush your eyebrows to see like what kind of shape that you would need, and you could use a spoolie, or I'm just using the eyebrow brush for this. And apart from that, make sure the hair, the area that you're removing your hair is clean, because you're going to pull the hair out of the roots, so that area might be a little sensitive. So make sure that that area is clean without any makeup. And it's usually recommended not to apply any makeup or any kind of thing for at least 24 hours. But before getting started, make sure your area that you're threading is clean. So I'm going to take a piece of thread. So if I hold like this, it came just till here, this part, but I'm just doing a knot here such that it looks like a loop. So this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do is hold it like this, and what I'm doing is twisting it. I'm going to do it again. Hold it like this and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Now say for example your hair is here or here, you're going to do this motion, open, and this one close, this one open, this one close, open, close, open, close, open, close. This is the motion. Now what will happen is, if there is any hair that's in this area, it's going to pull it from here. It's going to pull it like this. Like you would concentrate an area here or here and you're going to wax it, but this one is going to remove hair in lines like this. So all the hair in this line would be removed. It's all going to make more sense when I remove it. Say for example, if you can see here, so I did catch couple of hairs in here, so that did remove that piece of hair. So that's a good thing. Like you're going to pull the hair from the roots. That's the main benefit for using this threading. And you're going to go in lines, not like wax where you would remove in chunks and remove. You could already see like so much better it looks like when compared to this and this one right here. So I'm removing this side. So you could go the same area over and over again. Just catch the hair that you're planning to remove and pull it off. So if I go like this, this might be more understandable if I go over my eyebrow, I guess. So I'm just going like this, and like this is the motion I'm going. That's pretty much it. So can you see the difference between this eyebrow and this one? It hardly took me like I think 2 minutes, not more than that. See, like what I'm doing again. Hold the loop like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist and open and close, open and close. That's pretty much it. So just practice this motion, maybe like on the upper lip. I would suggest not even upper lip. You could try it on your legs before that, and then once you know, then try it with the upper lip. Then you can try on your see, this whole chunk of hair is removed. It's that easy. I'm just catching it and removing it. And from the top. Okay, all done. This is how it looks. And once that is done, you could actually what is that, trim the longer hairs. So if I brush it up like this, I could get the scissors and trim it a bit, but I usually don't do that. I keep it as it is, but if it is too long, then I would usually do that, but not that often that I usually do it. So this is after. I'm going to just remove from my upper lip just a bit. If it is tighter, then it would be more easier. Like if I put my tongue like this, it's tighter at that area, so it's more easier to pull off any hair from that particular area. That's pretty much it. Anyways, hopefully you had learned something out of this video, and so that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know how your threading experience did go, and if you did learn anything out of it, and also if I did miss anything that you would want to know, then do let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer as much as I can. And so that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.